My name's Kyle. I've been an accountant for the last 8 years. I work primarily with small businesses and high net wealth individuals. So I had an investment property I purchased in 2014. I've since moved into that one. Got to a point where I had a bit of cash saved up in the account and I didn't want it just sitting there in cash. I wanted to do something with it, but I found I didn't really have the drive to actually go and purchase the property. So it was good to meet Rusty, who encouraged me to get into an investment property. I was incredibly busy the last 6 months, so it was really good to have Rusty there to effectively hold my hand throughout the process. He inspected the property, negotiated with the vendors and the real estate, and got me an incredibly good deal. Whilst I was still working in the business and incredibly busy, he pretty much took care of everything and got a fantastic result from it. So what I liked most about the service offered by Rusty and the team at 𝗵𝗏𝗏, the communication was key. So again, having not known the process of buying a property, he was always updating me and providing me with the information that I needed to know to sort of make my life easier and to set my mind at ease. If you don't have the time to do the research and you're not knowledgeable about specific areas, whether it's where you live or outside of there, I would highly recommend getting an expert like Rusty and 𝗵𝗏𝗏, who will do the research for you and provide you, I guess, the information you need to make an informed decision.